everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Now who did it? Now who they Zuzu? Now who they Calavan? Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Area, my money view, my suburb, my supporter. I appreciate. Now who did it? Now who they Calavanti? Now who they run now more? This my money video today. Now to talk about, in fact, our brother, our sister, when they go their separate way after marriage, they will divorce. There is this one of our celebrity. She do wonder, she and her husband. I want to use her and talk. I said this video yesterday on Instagram, but not because of I got video to upload. Yeah, that is why I don't upload. I said that video was supposed to, film today about but let me rest my cakes for there. My people, I would like us to listen to this particular video. If you are a woman, you are a man, the marriage is not working, then you guys go your separate way. It doesn't mean you will start hating on yourself. Let's play that part so that you will understand before we develop on it. Please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, help me to share this video, help me to share. If you have, if you have WhatsApp group, you have Instagram group, you have whatsoever you have, share. Let it get to people who divorce, people who go their separate way. It doesn't mean marriage not work now, be worst enemy. This my finger. I know the cut her. I love her, but I know feel the pant her. I love her like this. People, I hope this couple, they are not couple again. This couple, when I try to show now, so Funke Akindele with her husband, they are not together again. Inside last 3 months, when her husband go in Instagram to drop a note that Funke Akindele and him, they are divorced. Then after he still come, Funke Akindele, they try to settle things, how the children things go they take place, how everything go they take place. This lady Funke Akindele not show up. When I see those whole things, I don't react on those. I don't react on them that time. Now, when Funke Akindele and this man meet, whether they meet in maybe they are celebrating, both of them they are celebrities. Like her husband is a producer, yeah, the lady, her husband is a producer, but they got married. The marriage doesn't work. They go their separate way. They divorce. Now, the main purpose of me want to do this video. I want to use this video to talk to whether a divorcee, you have children, you divorce with your husband. It doesn't mean you will stop that your husband to see those children you guys have together. That issue, in fact, concern children. You see how to this Funke Akindele, when her husband, they chat on social media. Now, maybe they don't settle the issue. Maybe they come across themselves where the place where they come across themselves. The way Funke Akindele hug her ex, you will not even think it's her ex. You will not even think say they get issue. You will not even think say whether anything happen. I know if it is some ladies, some people, once they see that man for that party, they will start to the throw word. They will start to insult, talk anything. They will even try to breed quarrel. But to tell Akindele embrace her ex. Imagine her child is there. Her child will never ever, sense that my dad and my mom, they are not together. Funke Akindele embrace her husband, they dance, they chat. As they chat, in fact, everybody, including me, I was shocked. Watching there, I know our sister Funke Akindele, she's full of vibe, she's full of vibe. But my main purpose of doing this video is when you and your husband, you are not together, and you guys have children, never you deny those children their father asset. Asset, yes. Never you deny their mother assent to get close to their children. Always open that door. Those children, they are innocent. By denying those children to go close to their dad, you are denying them, in fact, huge of something. By denying your child to not go close to her mom, you are denying her big something. The main purpose of me, they talk this thing. Imagine, put yourself in those children's shoe. Put yourself, except dad who don't care for the children, except dad who don't want to, see the children, not people like that. At least dad who they try to call, dad who they try to want to know, everything about her child. You're supposed to open door, because by denying those kind of father or those kind of mother by going close to the children. In fact, the thing they injure the children. Imagine, put yourself in those children's shoe. Your dad, you know how you love your dad. If your dad is a caring man, is a lovable dad, you know how it be, to grow up without no father, to grow up without no mother. Many things, in fact, many things is not, it can't complete. Let's tell ourselves the truth. If you and man go in a separate way, let the children play with the dad, let the children play with the mom. If marriage don't work, e no mean say make una be enemy. Except that man, a person wey dey, e dey violent, he abuse you. If he even abuse you, na you he abuse, he no know you for anywhere. You na another person, child when you with am bring come out, let him or her have access to his children, to her children. Please, except those fathers who don't know the word of children. And you with the man or you with the woman, anything about the child, you guys supposed to come together so that the child go dey grow smoothly, so that the child go dey grow well. As Funke Akindele art, I believe, my beautiful sister, in your secret place, both of you, this is how you guys are playing. Not for the social media people. You guys are really, close now. Because I remember when your husband dey write the chat for Instagram. I hope you guys don't settle those things. Whether you guys are together, whether you guys are not together, but as far you guys have children, you guys should always think of children. It pains me when I will see some mother that would deny their father. I said, no. It pains me when I go dey see some father go dey carry children dey run. If you carry pikin run, children go grow. They will not remain children. It will be the stage when you will come old. You will come turn to child for those your children when you dey lecture now. You will come be child when those children go say, daddy, mommy, no, you don't do it this way, mommy. No, this is how you do it. I remember our sister Nello Okeke, Ineka, if you guys don't have those, our beautiful sister, they are content creator. When Ineka, she was blaming her father. They are millionaire in my country. But just because her father don't allow her mom to come close to them. Now they are adults. Everybody go their separate way now. Now they are married women. They are married men. Can their father control them? No. Their mom is galavante with them all time. Why are we disturbing ourselves? Let the father her child. Let the mother take care of her child. So that at the old age, both of you will enjoy it. The moment you they carry child, they run for father. You they carry child, they run for mother. And that child can't grow up, can't get a little time to chat with her father, to chat with her mother. My daughter, it's not my intention. Your father deny me. Your mother deny me. The child will ask her father. The child will ask her mother. When my mother, when my father deny you, which effort did you put out? Then she will bring all the receipts. Who lose? You lose big time. No, in fact, don't take that journey. If marriage not work, open door. Let him, they play the role as a father. Let her, they play the role as a mother. So that in future, those children will not blame you. Because they will never remain children. I remember when I was a child, when I was my dad, but today, as my dad is alive, before my dad will pass on, we, sometimes we chat, we laugh, we gist, we like something that African parents, we understand when you are small, the way that we, but before he passed on, the way we chat, the way we talk, the way we, my dad and my mom, they are together and they take care of me. Both of them take care of me. But I just they tell you now, say, it get the stage when pikin go reach, you can't control her. If you say may not go her mother's side, he must go her mother's side. If you say may not go her father's side, he must go her father's side. Who lose? I don't want to be my ladies lose. Please, if you wear that shoe, open that door. Let the father get access to their children. Let them play that support. You are just disturbing yourself. You can't look old. No, nah. That chance, leave it. I know somebody like me, I not let my child to sleep outside though. I not pray for those kind of things. No. But let father come visit, have chat with child. Let their father, her mother carry children out. I know in abroad, a woman they get up again. But this my video. I did dedicate them for Africa father who they carry children they run. Some African mother who they carry children they run. Please learn for Funke Akindele. Me say marriage remove, friendship can continue as far child involved. Now where child not involved, put padlock because no one here chukun that time. No. But if na still somebody when they talk without, they talk the other side. Okay, but for me, no, 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 no. Yes, I don't need distraction. Eh? Then some people will say, trust yourself. I trust myself. Oh. I trust myself, but this word is deep. Oh, you need to be very careful. But my main purpose of me react on this video, please, if you are a father, you are a mother, the marriage work, not deny those children for their mother, please. Mostly our Africa, Europe, now women they get child. So brothers, when they go watch me, they will say, see, actually they happy. Yeah, so I need to happy because some of our Africans, they do their own press. Look at Nello and look at her sister. Wait till she say she passed through. They almost, defined. They almost take, if mother they I know some people mother they do all those things they take place, but let the both side get access to those children. Now create that friendship, or that might the marriage not work. Now create that friendship because of a child. No be some father when they don't know how to father, when they don't care about the children, when they need bad, when they talk about the children, they go they now waiting one buy the children. No be all those kind of father. I say caring father who know waiting he bring come to this world, who know the value to be a father, who know the worth to be a father, who know the worth to be a mother, who know the worth, like video when I upload this afternoon now. That video, a 24 years old girl who mama abandoned, but today is a mother to all nations. Let me put it like that. A 24 years old girl taking care of 100 children. What do you call that? It's a mother of all nations. You see, never you deny children because you don't know what that picking will turn to. My people, my area, my money view. Now who did leave your opinion. Please know that they watch my money view. When they watch my money. Olufunke Akindele. I like that video. She the art. Now was superstar. Naija superstar. Area.
Everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. To go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She money